Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This is Akhil Singh Rawat, and today I am come up with a new project called R plus SQL Fraud Alert Management System. This is enhanced system. So what I have done is last time that project that was threshold based. I mean it was Python and SQL based, and based on some threshold, fraud alerts will trigger will fire and the fraud analyst will analyze that. So this time I have converted that Python script into R, but there are far much benefits of R, so we will discuss that. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see on the screen, this is live automation via R script. I mean, we will schedule the script to the Windows task scheduler. Yeah, that is very easy. And then we are using SQL Server. Data will be coming from SQL Server because we have created data tables over there. So data is coming there, and we are spooling in the data into our script, and we are generating alerts, and the alerts will be we will using email, secure email, that will be Gmail again. And I will show you the power of visualization of our libraries, and also this Shiny app. This Shiny app is stunning, and the visualization are stunning for our language. So let's move to next slide quickly. And now you can see here what is the agenda. This is a quick roadmap. First is business benefits, system flow. What is the system flow, and what is the benefits of this business solution we have made. Why R is more important than Python, Power BI, and SQL in this type of business problem. And then we have alert types and visuals, and automation and scheduling. And I will explain all these steps, very in an easy manner. And what are our future roadmaps then? Okay, let's move to the next slide now. So key benefits, as you can see in the presentation window: early fraud detection, prevent loss. Why? Because again, this is similar as Python or any other automation. This is real time, so early fraud detection is there. And time interval, any time interval, we can schedule the alerts on any time interval, as you know, as per business needs. 2 hours, 3 hours. In this I have shown, I have shown for a demonstration purpose, every 2 minutes. And every 2 minutes the alert will fire, but duplicate alerts will not fire. So this is totally hands off operation. This is totally fully automated R script automation. This is very professional and embedded analytics. We can see further on a production part. And then end-to-end flow, you can see here the flow executed, as I told you, every 2 minutes. So SQL views, I have taken the use of views. So I will be showcasing only three fraud alerts, because only three views was available. That's enough, because last time it was four alerts I showed in Python and SQL based, threshold based fraud management system. But this time we will see three alerts. And there is a R hash check, as you can see, to avoid duplicate alerts. So to avoid duplicate alerts, as I told you, the current data will be mapped with the last data. So the data is same, then alerts will not fire. ggplot2 and email. ggplot2, you can I will tell you that it is our inbuilt library, and it is very enhanced library for visualization. And what happened is here that I have gone ahead, even though the our alerting system, R based, R and SQL based alerting system will produce alerts. But you can see here there is fraud digest report as well. This is something like, I read magazine was when I was young. It was Reader's Digest, so I have named it as Fraud Digest Report. So this is also for a management, or high level management, or manager level report. They can understand what's going on, and they can quickly guide whether these alerts are being checked or not. So this is something, report is a second layer of of representation. It will use enhanced graphics and visualization. So Excel is backup. All Excel backups are created automatically. So this is fully automated. Okay. Okay, so let's quickly see. These were the last time, when Python and SQL based, script, I made it live, and the alerts were live and loaded. So these are four types of alerts at that time. So summarize destination, destination calling, overlapping, and calling usage. So this time we will not be showcasing summarize destination, because only three are available. Data was available for these three, and calling usage alert, overlapping call, and destination calling usage alert. We will see the automation via our script. And if you can see, last time what happened was, I will tell you that data looked like this only inside the alert, Python and SQL based alert. Wait a second. Let me just show you that part. Okay. See here, simple, HTML table was pasted over there in the email body, and we can enhance this as well. But there is a lot difference, because our visuals are infinite, and I will show you what are the benefits of our libraries in dashboard making, and in graphics. Okay, on visualization. So we'll move to next part now. Okay, so yeah, so why are there others? As we are comparing Python, Power BI, and SQL with the R, you can see here in the presentation, R, this solution that we are giving. So why R? Because R libraries, like again plot for plot customization, first point. ggplot2, that gives infinite deep styling and layout controls for plots. We will see. I will just show you after this slide. ggplot2, I already told you. Second is email embedding. So for email embedding, we are using Blastula and email. These are libraries with inline CID images. So CID images direct, we are using content display to HTML to email body. So it will give a much more high visualization. And you can see here, for those Python provides SMTP library, text only. Similarly, Power BI service and mail is required for this visualization, and SQL has not this is not applicable. And so similarly, for plot customization, Python has matplotlib, that is also very limited capability of showing the images, and Power BI has limited formatting, and SQL doesn't support that. Then we have, you can see here, code narrative packaging. So R markdown code, documents plus visuals are there. I will tell you what it combines: the code, commentary, and visuals. So what you put that in email body, along with the summary. I mean, what you want to define of those images or charts or graphs or visualization. Then and the your this code. I mean, how you want to apply HTML code to look like. I mean, fully, partial, whatever, however you like. So for Python, we are depending on Python editors like Jupyter only, notebooks, and for Power BI, no code narrative. Similarly, for SQL, this is not applicable. And then automation is straightforward with the R script and task scheduler, Windows task scheduler. This is the easiest way and the best way to just go there. I will show you just from the front end of the Windows. You will go to the task, scheduler, and create a manual task and just schedule it. Everything is there. We don't need like this. You can see here in Python cron, airflow, overhead. Similarly, we need Power BI gateway or service plan. Even this is paid. And that SQL, in his batch plus this sp send dbmail you have to configure. But are totally free. Source code is free, software is very very easy, and even no debugging issues, even no automation issues. You can customize it as per you like, and there are, I told you, infinite libraries. I will just show you the comparison. Okay, so here we are. I found one of my video in my show. I used matplotlib of Python library. See, uh, you can see here. Yeah, it looks like this only. Some risk level distribution. We have seen projected revenue is being showing for high level customers. This was, I believe, ML based customer churn forecasting. And if I forward this video, then you can see here, even this, yeah, the visualization is like this. We have pasted these images in the email body itself. So if I keep forwarding, yeah, like these are the some visualization you can see matplotlib gives, even for different data. But what right now I am presenting is, so you can see here also, yeah, this is a clear picture now for that. And I will show for Power BI as well, because I configured here like this Power BI. You can see here in app.powerbi, this was the report made and pushed through the Power BI server for email alerts as well. So wait a second, let me show you these. Yeah, so even in email alerts it will come like this. Yeah, so these are some basic images automation, I mean remote automation I have done, and I have showed you that it looks like this in Power BI or in Matplotlib. So I will now show how it looks like through R script. Okay. Okay, so where was we? Sorry, we were here. So you can see here. Uh, why are than others? I already explained. Again, why are than others? So simply for R, ggplot2, infinite styling and themes, Blastula, inline HTML email visual reports, and R markdown code plus visual plus talk. I already explained. Easy automation, task schedule plus R script. So you can see here now what I shown in Matplotlib, and for Python and for Power BI. Now you can see here. Wow, it will looks like this when I will uh, generate those real time alerts live and loaded. So this, can you believe it? You just stunning visuals are stunning, overlapping CDR like this. Similarly, for second alert type 2, you can see here. I told you there are three alerts only. I will show that is enough for demonstration. Destination calling alert, it look like that is like this. Alert type 2, call records, destination call summary, call detail records. And third is call volume alert, it will look like this. So yeah, you can enhance it. This is just for demonstration. I have used that ggplot2 library, visualization library of ours. So call volume alert, alert type 3, your top call records, unusual call volume identified in call data. Okay, so let's not waste time, and we'll go and generate alerts through task scheduler. Okay, so yeah, here we are in our studio. This is our editor. So very easy. No installation issues. No, hanging issues, and even automation is very easy. So you can see here. Just quickly, I will tell you. Fraud script one. That is what it is doing. It is for overlapping call alert, and here you can see it will spool in the data from view 4 that is being made specially for this type of alert. I mean, this is the customized SQL query is put in view 4. That's why we are spooling the view 4 data. Similarly for script 2, and that is for destination call alert. So same way, the data will be spooled in, and alert will be generated with the Excel as well. Similarly for script 3, and this is for high call volume, and this is the third and last alert, and it will show a high call volume as per our thresholds. So quickly now, I will. These are the all. This all these all three scripts are being put in a master script. I will show you, and with that master script is put in task scheduler to schedule every 2 minutes. Like this, you can see here master alert runner file having fraud script 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. All three are put here, and it will this file will be automated. So from this we will automating all three fraud scripts. Okay, let's go to okay, so here we are, and we are in the task scheduler. So you can see here, yeah, this one R base script has been scheduled. I mean, not scheduled. I have disabled it. I will enable it, and then I will run it, and it will run for, you can see here, 2 minute duration of one day. I mean, repeat every two after 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes it will be repeated, but we should not get the duplicate data, because data is only same data is there. So next time, whenever 2 minutes it will check for the data, it should not fire the same alert again. I mean duplicate alert again. So I have made a adjustment for that in the code itself. So this should happen. This should be happening in the fraud management system, or it will be a very high problem to debug. So this is task scheduler, very very easy way. Just through the using the Windows task scheduler, we will schedule the task. We can schedule from here. You can see here, create basic task. You can give it any name, next, and you can see you have to how daily, weekly, monthly, how you want to schedule it. You put the starting time and how you want to recur every one day. So start a program like this. You can just automate. You can put your script file here, path here, and then you are all set to go with your other file paths as well. So no problem, because I have already configured it. I will just enable it right now in live in front of you, and I have just enabled it, and I will run it, and we will see the live alerts. So you can see here, I am in email window. It is neat and clean. I have cleaned it. So fresh alerts, we will see here three type of alerts. You can see that these command files are started running. So in any time we will receive the alerts. Three type of alerts: alert type 1, 2, and 3. Oh wow, what a beauty! See, overlapping CDR detected. Alert type 1 has been arrived. Let the all alerts come, then we will open it and we will analyze. Now, wow, beauty. Again, alert type to destination. In no time, simply from the task scheduler. On the Windows task scheduler, it has been scheduled, and you can see here. Now we will open. All three have arrived, and we will see the beauty of our wow. Can you believe it? How stunning it is. So this is for overlapping CDR detected. You can see here in the subject line, alert type 1, and even timestamp is there. Okay. Then in the body email itself, overlapping CDR alert. You can see here the script is going around again, but it will not fire again. That is the main concern. So what I will do, I will disable it, or it will keep going and disturbing us. I will just disable. Okay, so here we can see here overlapping CDR alert. Alert has reported overlapping call activity and call records. You can see here overlapping call snapshot, call detail records, caller number, and this is for overlapping call alert. So one call has not been ended, another call started. How? This is the previous call. The same header we have used in Python based. You can see in that video also. So this is the same data. The call was going on 5:24 till 5:48. In between this call 5:38 started. This is the current call time for same caller number. So wow, you can see here, and if I just zoom in, you can see better now. Yeah. So this type of powered by Akhil's automated monitoring system. So you can even Excel file is there. I told you automation has automated Excel files attachment. So same data is there. The analysts can spool in the data. So now let's go to another alert. That is alert type 2, destination calling alert. Now this is showing destinations which have been for which threshold have been breached. So this is destination calling alert, alert type 2, timestamp is there. Then in email body, destination call activity alert, latest call data shows noteworthy destination usage. This is summary that you can you put as you like. So call records, Angola, 3000 something minutes, 3700 something minutes. Wow. Bulgaria mobile, 1000 something minutes. So sent via Akhil's R alert system. So I have customized this for every alert. Okay, so make it interactive. But just look at this table, and you were looking at that earlier table I showed you in Python. So can you believe it? What are these visuals? Stunning visuals, and you can enhance it any way you like. More enhancement you can do. We will see in the report as well, fraud digest report that I have made. This is the second layer. This that is the second layer. So for third alert, if I go call volume alert, alert type 3, this is a timestamp, and I showed you they were generated in front of you live. High call volume detected, unusual call volumes identified in call data, and here's a summary. Top call records, calling usage alert, call detail record. These are the MSID and caller numbers. I mean, destination name is there. Some of minutes are there, and you can see here again. Angola, Bulgaria has been caught because you know this has been put in the threshold of 90 minutes at least, over 90. So that's why even those calls have been come under these this alert. But the fourth alert, that was summarized destination alert, that has been, I was unable to find the view, so that is being left. But all these three alerts I have showed you one by one. Wow, what a stunning video visuals, and what is the power of our simple automation, high level visualization and dashboards and integration via Windows task scheduler. So all three alerts are there. Now I will show you the fraud digest report that I have made. Just I'm going there only in front of you. Don't be angry on me. The task scheduler is here only. So we will go there and just, and for that fraud digest report, see here I have also configured here. So I will just enable it in front of you. This is all live scenario, and I will just run, and we will wait in this window. See, the bash command has been, in action. So anytime it can come now. So this is second layer fraud digest report. I already told you for management level. They should have better understanding what events have been taken place. Oh wow, it arrived. So just I will open in front of you. Okay, let me open it and let it load. So this is HTML based. The HTML. So see, fraud digest report. Wow, timestamp is there, and then you can see here fraud digest summary, real time insights from telco analytics. This is a current date, and most called destinations. So those alerts have been put into the HTML file, and the report has been made summarized report, which will be for management level presentation. This will enhance those alert level as a report level, understanding insights. I mean, so see, as a data analyst, you have to do this. This is the most interesting part of data analyst or data scientist, to present the this insights to management in a very very high level manner, that looking at the report, that management knows, wow, this is going right now in fraud department. So this is the latest development. So just have a look. Most call destinations, top 10 outbound traffic hotspots based on total talk minutes. Angola, Bulgaria. When management look at it, like, they'll say, "Oh my God, this is how much calling is this? This is again, yani, top call destinations are Angola and Bulgaria for right now. And then high volume callers, concentrated talk time among top callers, percentages reflect share of the alert window. And then what is I have done in this, you can see here, these are the that report over 90 minutes which have called in previous interval, whatever we have given, because we have given for that much time. So what is the percentage means, what is the percentage all these caller numbers are having, like Angola have having highest minutes, so 62%. Bulgaria is having 1317 minutes, so 22% of the of this whole alert. So this report covers that, but rest is 2%, 2%. So we can see that, it's, if it is natural that 1.5, 1.6, 2.2% is natural calls. I mean average calling is like this, then why the spike is for Angola and Bulgaria? This put a clear picture in the management level mind, that oh my god, see what our data analysts have automated. We can clearly understand now, this is the average calling and this is the extreme calling. Okay, so let's move to another third one and last one, overlapping call timeline. I mean overlapping call cases where one subscriber is involved in congruent calls, possible call misuse or routing anomaly. In telecom fraud, this is mainly involved with PBX hack. So they abuse with the congruent calls. I mean to have a maximum impact, when they in mostly in night they hack the PBX. So or routing anomaly, or it can be as a calling anomaly as well. Might be we have some data problem, or we have some bug, or we or the switch have some problem, that call was not connect the call was not ended, and the user was unable make to enable it was able to make another call. So this should not be happening, that even the alert should trigger for every fraud department will send it to the that department as well. See, man, you CPM team, that you have a problem with this anomaly. So right now you can see here, wow, what a beauty, look at the chart. Same caller number. This one call 524 and 548 was going on. In between this 538 call started, and both destination we see we have already saw in alert for Angola. So both destination is Angola for both calls, and this is current call, and this is previous call. So this was previous call as I showed you in call record. This was 524 and 548 was the previous call. In between, the current call started from 538 till 1839. But you can see here, this I told you infinite the libraries are there for showing purpose, and this chart is particularly for this type of our business problem, like overlapping calls. So the management shows, and they clearly knows, man, what's going on. This is overlapping call. It is pure overlapping call. Let have the fraud team on meeting, or whatever anomaly the switch team is to have some anomalies. We have to discuss with that. So again, this report was automated by Akhil Singh Rawat, contact fraud ops team. This is some automation I have done. So I have put my name over there, and wow. So yeah, so you can see here now, three I have showed you live and loaded, three alerts, alert type one, two, and three, based on our script, and the Excels are there for everyone, for every alert. I mean, you can see here. I'm not making this up. Excel is attached for and even the fraud digest report that I showed up you will tell the same story, but this is the user story. I mean, this is the data story that data analyst or data scientist is telling the management. So yeah, so but wait, there is some suspense as well, and I will tell you that I have some enhanced report as well. We can always enhance the report if you want. So just wait. If I run this, one enhanced version will also run. But this is up to you how you want to show. If that suits you, that you can put that on automation. And if you want some enhanced version, that is also I have made for a quick representation. So yeah, so you can see here. Yeah, wow, what a beauty. See, this is this is fraud as a report, same report. But what I have done is, I have put it into 100% email body, so it will be pasted in 100% email body with little bit of enhancement like this enhanced visualization. Fraud digest report, again same stats, but this time this captures the whole email body. So like this, and even I have attached the PDF as well. This is the enhanced version that I have put, that I have attached the PDF as well. So if management needs PDF, they can download it and they can have a view or forward it to the concerned team. Okay, so this was it. That was it from R. You can see, I have shown the power of R just from the task scheduler we have enabled, and we have run this very easily. You can see here, no issue whatsoever. No sending issue, no hanging problem. The source code is free. The R has infinite libraries. I'm telling you, for data analysts, dashboard and visualizations are the main thing. So if you are, well versed with R, then you have no problem telling the data stories to the management. And believe me, guys and girls, this is the only thing that management likes. Okay, just be with me. There is one more suspense, and the last thing I will show you. Okay. Okay. So here we are. Okay. So yeah, what is the suspense? Suspense is that I have already told you that in the first slide that there is a Shiny app as well. So Shiny app is used for making interactive dashboards because it has a very high capability. So we have made a live fraud alert engine, and these are the operational highlights. So we have built a Shiny app having the details of live alert for analysts. So you can understand that what it is. It is Shiny dashboard with real time alert table, and it has filters and status updates. Audit logging with timestamp and user tracking means somebody will change the status, it will be saved, the logs will be saved for the management level, reporting level. Excel preview and download from the front end as well. So login authentication is also there, and auto refresh. I have made that app refresh every 60 seconds. So without further ado, let's go. So here you can see here, this is the R Studio, and this is our app code. So I will just run it. You can see here it is showing run app because it is a app code. So wow, it is just opening. See, welcome to Akhil's fraud engine. Wow. So I'm as admin, I'm not created any user, so I'm logging as admin, and I'm just entering the password, and you can see invalid username password. So yeah, it works. I'm not making this up. Now I will put the correct password. Oh wow! See what an interactive dashboard I have made. Well, this is basic because this will show you. I will show you what it. The three alerts that has been fired recently. So it has the alert time name, overlapping calls detected. You can see here. Okay. So similarly, destination calling alert and call volume alert. Priority is there. You can sort through the priority as well if you want. P1 up all, so like this. And even you can We can filter through everything. I have put filter for status, source, and even severity as well. If you want whichever first, so it will come first. Like if you need high first, high will come first. So like this, it has the development has been done. So firstly, whatever analyst is sitting on the shift, it will just check. To how to check, you have to click the alert, and then you have to check this bar view this button, I mean view alert records. Then you can see it has popped up the window. Open up the window and it will have the records as well. So this is showing that status is pending. This is for priority 1. So analysts know that severity is high and priority is P1. So we I have to work on this alert first. So similarly it has shown showing entities like Angola and the yeah. So this was for overlapping calls. And similarly if I show this, similarly Angola, Bulgaria, as we have discussed earlier. So again priority is high, B1, and severity is high. So high usage destination in summary, and it has two brackets, that's why in bracket it is 2. So I will close it now. Thirdly, view alert records, and it will show the yeah. Okay, so all those calls in found in call volume spike, call volume alert, and it is showing that summary is call volume spike detected in calls. So there are 8 calls. You can check the entries if there are more. So even it is fully capable downloadable Excel file. You can see here, download full Excel file button is there. And if I click this, the window will open, and you can download it. I will download it because I'm not making this up. You can see here 030514 file will be saved in download folder. And if I go to download folder and just check it, you can see here. Oh, wow. I will just open in front of you. I'm not making this up. This is very hard work, to make these things work. You can see now. Wow, what a beauty. It's working all very fine. Okay, so back to the our app. And yeah, I will close this now. So so what happens now when an analyst have done the analysis, and then what happened, it has to change, but it had completed SLA and SOPs. So as per it, if it is a fraud, that it has to click, and it has to change the status to fraud, and then it has to update the status. See, whenever the update selected status button is being pushed, then it will be fraud. But then you have to save the changes, then only the changes will take place, and all changes saved to alerts log.csv. In between the system is being refreshed because it is just 60 seconds, for a demonstration purpose. Mainly thing is you have to save the changes, because when refresh will be done, if you have update the selected status to fraud, it will revert back to pending. But once saved, then you cannot change. You can see, click here, see status logged. Status is logged, you cannot change it, but you can still change the another one that is pending. So if I've checked and confirmed that it is a fraud, then I will change it to fraud. Okay, let's see. I told you na the 60 seconds refresh window is working. So between that, I will click this fraud. I will update and I will change the. It will be changed here, and then I will save. When you click the save, the this changes have been saved in the backlog as well. So this is saved now. So if I go and check the email window, and you can see here, oh wow, see log has been emailed also. So that's the beauty. See, alert status updated, overlapping call, that alert type was overlapping call, summary was this, overlap detected in calls, changed by admin, old status was pending, and new status is fraud, and this is the timestamp. At this time it is showing that it has been changed. Same for the second alert as well. Alert status updated, destination calling alert, alert type same name, summary, high use destination, two records were there, changed by admin, old status was pending, changed, new status is fraud, and timestamps is this. So this app is, doing everything. This app is doing everything, for stress, from viewing alerts live and having the, excel file as well, having records as well in. And for third as well, you can see here, if we come to know that we have already taken action on Angola and Bhutan and, Bulgaria mobile, then we don't need, because it was covered in that alert. We will, not fraud. See, firstly it had to change to not fraud, that save the changes. And when you save the changes, then only the, status will be updated in the background as well. See, now refreshing even auto refresh is not changing this. It means it has been saved. The status has been saved. So this is interactive live alert. This is how fraud vendors design software. This is basic, design I have done. You can make as complex as you can. I mean, as logical as you can. So see, even the third alert come. Wow, what a beauty! Beautiful. Are you seeing any glitch right now? Are you seeing any bug right now? Are you seeing any formatting issue right now? I'm putting, showing you live in front of you. So this is the power of R. So guys, I have shown you everything now, from, alert generation, from stunning visuals, and, from live dashboard of Shiny app. So now, I will tell you what are the future enhancement we are looking, and we we need to update that. And this is I have put here only, that user assignment of alerts. So next time, when sorry, next time whenever the alert will come, the whenever who's login and list, it will auto assign to that user. We can do that. We can do, on internal or cloud server deployment instead of this app. Right now we can, have this, https address, and we can, deploy it in cloud or internal or server. So even we can do dockerization as well. We can concatenate with these full R script plus SQL, automation of emails, plus this Shiny, pipeline to container. And this container can be single-handedly used. That single container can have everything and can be deployed to window, can be deployed to like Linux, can be deployed to even, Windows and other servers as well. So what we will do next also is that we will use, and what is important thing is, you can always import trained models like machine learning or artificial neural network to R studio. And we will, we I have already, I've shown you, I have already, AI ML models, ANNML models. I will import them here, and I will generate alerts from there, and, we will have super visualizations, libraries. So we will use that and make interactive dashboards. So even API exposure via Plumber, save that alert data, and further model scoring as well. And this is the future roadmap. So guys, this was a perfect demonstration of R plus SQL based enhanced management system, which have automation of R script, SQL Server, Shiny, and email. So this is Akhil Singh Rawat now, signing off. Have a great day. Have fun and take care.